Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make a hip hop beat in Garageband. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you have your audio recorder and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and get started with making our hip hop beat. So basically guys, we have two ways. The first way is to go ahead and use a pre-made loop. So here in the upper left corner, you can find the live loop section. That's going to go ahead and open up this option with all the loops that we can access, and some of them are related to rap. So as you can see, you have your hip hop right here option and so on. So you can tap on hip hop right here. That's going to open up this new menu where you can get started with editing an already made loop. So you can add your effects, you can remove sounds, add sounds and so on to get your desired beat. So here, this is the main page where it looks, but the other option guys, if you do not want to use somebody else's work, you can go ahead and create it from scratch. So in the tracks option, you can get started with adding your instruments such as the keyboard. Every beat is going to need a keyboard, some drums and so on. And if you go back to live loops, you can open up the sound library, and in the sound library you can find all the packs that you need. So here are the packs that you can use, such as modular rhythms, beat tape and so on. Here you can find all the packs that you can get started for using for your songs so that you can get your desired hip hop beat and make it from scratch. But yeah guys, basically that is how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.